We are about to get our first tuk-tuk ride here in Kerala.
Time.
Look at this. Hey, yeah. It says he's friendly.
Friendly. Oh, friendly. Tuk-tuk driver.
If it says so on the tuk-tuk, it must be true. All right. Oh.
Hello, my friend.
Hello.
Happy journey.
Thank you. Thank
Mac
you.
very happy.
Yes.
Good. Let's go.
All right.
All right.
It's Ferrari time. Let's go.
Oh my God! I just hit my head. What's going on, bro?
Oh my God.
I hit my head.
Head massage.
Head massage.
Head massage.
It's the Ferrari hood.
Here we are. We're getting the full tuk-tuk experience. All right. You have to watch out when you put your head out.
What is your
Multitasking.
Yeah, sure.
Well, I would say focus on the road, but
Fuck the road.
wow. Oh, that's so nice. Oh, the fresh air. And as we arrive at our first destination, we are reminded by how much history is around each and every corner, originating from a time when the Dutch East India Company settled in Kochi. Dhobi Khana was established to cater to the laundry needs of the colonial forces until the late 17th century, and it's going on until this day. How are you?
Oh, fine.
In the laundry.
Yes, laundry.
Yeah. What's your name?
Money, yes,
Yeah.
money.
Ole.
Ole.
Yeah, nice to meet you. There you go, doing a good job.
Yes.
Nice and white shirt.
That means,
There you
yes,
go. I swear, like every time I give my white shirts away, it turns back dirty. So maybe I should come here. That was like a perfectly white shirt.
Washing, ironing.
Oh, you're doing a good job. It's very nice.
I am happy.
Yeah, it's like meditation. There you go, nice and easy. You can see he got like some Zen-like stance coming through here.
Amazing. You look great.
Good
There you go.
washing machine.
Washing machine.
Yeah.
Ironing. See
It's a machine
how
right
you
here.
check. You can
It's
check.
very heavy, yeah. Well, that is not light.
Around
That's easily about 6-7 kg.
8, more than 8.
Yeah.
8, more than 8.
Try lift.
I'm gonna try.
Very strong.
There you
9
go,
years
my
old.
God.
Yeah.
She is healthy. She
Oh my
doing
God.
every day morning early 5 o'clock starting after 7 o'clock.
Oh, wow.
Every day doing like that.
And
Oh, God.
what's her name?
Sarojini.
Sarojini.
Wow, she is 90 years old and she's been doing this since she was 10 years old. Holy shit, she's been doing laundry like this for 80 years.
Yeah, more than 300 local homes there around. But now is the season of.
Off season.
Yeah,
like
but they
summer-
are no
summer
much
vacation.
busy. Otherwise, if you come to season, all the shirts,
Oh,
everyone by hand. The
oh,
working
really?
by hand.
Like hand washing.
Hand wash.
Yeah, I can see here you got quite a few sheds right here where they will wash the clothes. Indians do like their open air laundry for sure. I feel like we've seen so much of it in Mumbai as well, so we're gonna keep on moving to the next destination. You can easily get a tuk-tuk for very cheap around here and go around all the different places here around in the Fort Kochi area in the beautiful place of Kerala. So let's keep on moving. Alright guys, we are on to the next destination, which is going to be a temple. Have to be a bit careful hanging out of the tuk-tuk, but it's so freeing and so refreshing.
It's a temple, Mahavishnu temple,
Yeah.
old temple.
Okay, so this is only for Hindus?
Only for a Hindu, yes.
Ah, okay. Yeah, because I see you need to have traditional Hindu clothing as well. Wow, it looks very beautiful. Look at that.
Long-
So normally you would go inside this temple for praying?
yeah, like that.
Is it normally like any ceremonies like weddings?
Yeah,
or is that
wedding,
yeah,
yeah.
You got
also
weddings as well?
weddings, everything, yeah.
Yeah, okay.
But here, beautiful too. Best time from visiting end of the November. If you come end of the November, you can see the temple festival.
So you said like this area here is this also only for
Only
Brahmins?
this,
or?
only from the Brahman, Hindus area.
Ah, okay. Is that
But
like the
not
higher caste?
Not
or?
yeah, this is high caste, but not all the same. Some places are different, mixed.
Yeah.
Some places.
Ah, okay. But this is the high caste
Yeah.
area in
high
general, yeah.
caste area.
Were you praying inside?
Yeah, we had a small function there.
Ah,
We're just coming out after that.
yeah. So one of the good things about these tours is that like it hasn't been much time at all, and we've been just bam.
Yeah, you get to see a lot fast.
So we're now heading through a place called Palace Road, and you will see on both sides there's a ton of markets. You can get a lot of like sport equipment, foods, drinks, just anything that you want. And at the end of the road you will also find a palace, and that's also why it's called Palace Road. We are here at Mattancherry Palace, which is a famous palace here, which is a Dutch palace. Mattancherry Palace, also known as the Dutch Palace, was built by the Portuguese in 1555 and now acts as a museum that shows the rich history and royal treasures of Kochi. Okay guys, so unfortunately we are not allowed to film inside, so there's no point for us to go inside that. It's still a beautiful place. Do be warned, outside there will be quite a few people trying to sell you stuff. Welcome to Pimp My Tuk Tuk India edition. There we go. Are you ready, sir?
Yeah, good. No,
Let's
sir.
go.
Friend.
There's a strange species of bird around these areas. Okay. Guys, we have made it officially to the spice market. So here we are inside the spice market. Right now it's unfortunately closed, but this is one of the oldest Portuguese buildings here in Kerala. Kochi was the heart of the historic spice trade that captivated the world for centuries. Air is rich with the aroma of black pepper, cardamom, cinnamon, and cloves, telling the tales of ancient trade routes that connected India to the far corners of the globe. So we are here at the old market road, which is called Bazaar Road, and let's see if we can head over to the other spice market from here. Oh my god, I swear I can smell the spice. There's like an attack of all the different new smells that I've never had before.
This is the name of salt.
That is a lot of nuts. You want 3 kilos of cashews? So I kind of expected it to be bigger, I guess, but just what we had in there, it was like a wholesaler for spices and stuff. So still here, it's like my nose is being completely overwhelmed right now. Moving our way through the busy and vibrant streets, we make our way to the historically rich and culturally vibrant area of Jewtown, renowned for its antique shops and one of the oldest Jewish communities in India. I gotta say, like, first impression, it's very colorful, a lot of people here. Hey, how you doing, guys? How you doing? People are excited.
Okay.
All right, bye guys. Good to see you.
Thank you.
Cheers.
Hi. High five. Hi.
There you go.
Yeah, what's your
There you
name?
go. Are we doing a little fist bump?
Yes.
There you go. Yeah. Okay, so obviously it feels a little bit touristy right here since you have all the shops, but at the same time, like, the vibes are really good. It's so completely chilled. People are friendly, coming up to you, saying hi, smiling, waving, high-fiving. Yeah, it's a good feeling to be here. Beautiful buildings. Like, so much culture, and indeed, guys, shalom. Look at that. I think I want to get some local clothes at one point as well. That would be good. Okay, well, beautiful place.
We even got police posts right here. I'm guessing this was from back then. Oh no, it's new.
Oh yeah.
But they seem like they're closed today.
Yeah.
At least not
Well,
working
no
today.
crime today.
Yeah, no crime on Saturday.
Crime is off on Saturday.
Yeah, it's off.
How you doing, guys?
Hi.
Love your bag.
I think the
Your bag? Yeah, it's a cool bag.
You like it?
Yeah, you guys from here?
From Ernakulam.
Okay. Yeah, good to meet you guys. It was Ole from Norway.
Norway.
Yeah, you know Norway? We are.
Yeah.
Yeah, you guys excited? Checking out the beautiful Kochi here in Kerala
Yeah.
with the guys. Yeah, you guys excited? And then it was time to go inside the markets and try out some of the local clothings. Okay, let's have a look.
This is my Kerala sari. My
okay.
best collection.
Oh yeah.
This is wait karo. This is Kerala, very special.
Okay.
This is-
So you
Yeah,
use it
you
for,
wear
is
this-
it like for temple or?
Temple and festival Kerala. This is
Okay.
Nalla quality. You see, light weight for women,
Okay.
and for me,
Yeah.
for men,
Yeah.
mundu,
Okay.
same.
But you use the same?
Yeah, same.
Okay.
This is for mundu, for you,
Men's.
for men, very
Okay.
comfortable.
So how do you use it? Is it like around?
I show you.
Like that. It's
Yeah,
around.
this is very, you know, lungi dance.
Yeah.
This is a lungi dance.
Okay.
Very good, special. Color, which color your favorite?
Blue is my favorite.
Blue. Light.
This blue, also
yeah, like
color.
dark blue.
Dark blue.
Yeah, like
this blue. Yeah, this is very. I love this color. And
What color?
shirt. Which color you like? Shirt. Shirt. For
shirt?
shirt. Yeah.
Shade.
Blue or other?
I love blue.
Blue
in
or
general,
blue
yeah,
shirt.
just-
Bring blue shirt. Yeah.
Hello.
Hello, my friend. Come. Indian
There we
friend.
go. Yeah, it's my friend.
They
We're checking
matching.
out.
Cotton.
All right.
Pure
Cotton.
cotton.
Okay, I will try it.
Oh,
Ah.
yes. This is a lock.
Oh, you look it. Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Yeah.
Design this like this.
Okay. Oh wow.
This is
That's-
a design.
Quite the process.
Yes. And this is very, very comfortable. Okay. And you want more
Yeah.
like this. And
All
it
right.
yeah. It's like this. Okay.
Okay, let's Too tall. All right. There we go. What do you think, guys? Look at this.
Yes.
Yeah, it's good. It's good.
Very
There you
good.
go.
Very tight.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Yes,
This
it's
is
good.
not come out. You see, if you want to more tight, use this belt.
Oh, use belt.
Yeah.
Ah,
It's
okay,
outside
okay.
and tight. This
Ah,
come.
okay,
And
okay.
Secret money you can put inside.
Ah, like a wallet. I see. I
Yes,
see.
yes.
That's
This
how
is
it is.
for covering. Like this.
Ah, okay.
This, like this.
We found the
Just
one.
remove the
There we go. We're gonna switch to this one. We look like a proper tourist now, but that's fine. Okay, thank you, my friend.
okay?
There we
This is,
go.
yeah, it's a nice
Yeah,
color. You
look
got
good.
it. This is- yeah, look.
That's the thing. Apparently, if you do buy something here, then they will get pushy. So took me like forever to get out of that store, keeping Yad waiting for quite a while. So we need to get going.
Okay, bye.
Thank you
Take
so
care.
much for joining
Welcome,
us
welcome.
on this adventure. This has been our first impressions here in Kochi, in Kerala, India. Such a beautiful first impression. I've had such an amazing day. We're going to be traveling to a few more places here in India. Smash that like and subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace out.